This is Boots from Cyber Team. Today I have a keyboard. I actually had this for a while here. I'm just now getting around to opening it up. But this is the Tezarre TK61 Pro. This is a 60% body keyboard. It has tri-mode, so you can use a wired or wirelessly, either Bluetooth or 2.4 gigahertz dongle mode. That's dope. Now, this is a Gateron optical keyboard. So it comes with Gateron optical switches, which are hot swappable. I believe I got the brown, optical brown versions, but you can get them in the optical reds, which are linear switches. You can get them in the optical blues, which are tactile and clicky. It comes with PBT keycaps, so they should feel pretty nice. RGB backlighting, 60% body with 61 keys. Works for Windows, Mac, PlayStation, Xbox, anything you connect it to, basically. That's a lot for $60. So let's open it up and see what we got here. So plain box, not really plain. It got some detail on here. I don't know if you can, the camera's picking that up. There's your keyboard right away. Nice weight on there. Got some books, and this is just a quick start guide. So comes with your USB-C to USB-A cable. Comes with a white keycap puller. Comes with that's your 2.4 gigahertz dongle. All right, straight away has a nice medium weight on it, close to heavyweight. On the back, you got your Tezarre TK61 Pro info, 4 rubber stoppers. And here's where you turn your wireless on or off. The USB-C port is on your top left, Tezarre in the front, and that's about it. Let's plug it in and see what we got. Now, let's check out these Gateron optical browns. There she is. These are hot swappable. Let me pull one out. And just like that, hot swappable, optical. All right, let's give this a quick typing test, see how she sounds. Let's check out the Bluetooth mode. Let's unplug, flip it on the back here. We'll turn that wireless on. So now it's using that 3000 milliamp hour battery, which is pretty nice size. So I just want to connect it to Bluetooth 1 for now. So I'm gonna hit function and I'm gonna hold down Z, and I'm assuming that's gonna flash for me. There we go. So it's in pairing mode for Bluetooth 1. So let me go to my PC here, add Bluetooth device, and see what it comes up as. And it looks like it's coming up simply a Bluetooth 5.0 KB. So let's hit that. All right, so we're connected. At least it's using Bluetooth 5.0. Do a typing test again. Make sure it's capturing all my keys. I like this one a lot. 60% body, takes up no space on your desk. We got Bluetooth 5.0, we got detached cable, we have this nice white color. The keycaps do not scream gamer, so they look kind of classy there. The backlighting is pretty cool. Optical switches feel nice. You know, I have nothing bad to say about this thing. Okay, I'm gonna spend a little bit more time with this. I'll get back to you with a full review. You know, 60 bucks on Amazon. I have a link in the description. If you have any other questions, hit me in the comments, but I'm gonna call this one a day, and I'm out. Peace.